Hi guys, today I want to show you the Victorinox RangerWood 55. Here it is. So at first you might notice that it's pretty big actually. A normal Victorinox, a normal one, is quite smaller. It's like this size. If you ask me, it's pretty cool that it's larger. It's got here a wood grip. Normally we've got these red grips, and let's go to the blade. A very nice feature of this knife is that you've got a lock over here. It's a liner lock. You probably won't see it too well, but it's very cool. So if you do something wrong, if you're not really paying attention, it normally clips into your finger if you're not paying attention, as I already mentioned. This one has got a lock, so it's safe actually. How do we close the knife then? We just have to press on this logo here, and then it goes in again. So, how's carving with this knife? I've been using this knife for a while now, and I have to say that's pretty sharp. Here. So it's nice carving with it. Let's take a bigger piece. Let's just start making a peak here. And you can really get off big bits. The grip feels pretty comfortable. It's very large. I mean, 12 centimeters is quite big. So you've got the possibility to hold it in different ways. You can, hold it here or hold it there. Reverse grip is pretty comfortable too. So carving is no problem with this knife. Look what I've done now. So that's a nice job. Okay, would I baton with it? Well, I guess I wouldn't. It's still a pocket knife, and I wouldn't risk damaging it. But I prefer batoning with this knife than with a normal Victorinox because of the lock. Here. So carving with this knife is pretty cool. Okay, now let's go to the next feature, the saw. Here it is, and it's pretty big. Let's test. So let's just start sawing down this branch here. Sawing is pretty comfortable with this one, and you notice that you're going through the wood easier than with other Victorinoxes because the saw is just larger. So you can see I've already gone through it halfway. Hope you can see it. We're here. So the saw hasn't got a lock, but that's no problem. What have we got else? Well, the typical things you can find in every Victorinox. Here. That. So, if you ask me, this knife has got a pretty good quality, and I would recommend buying it if you are ready to pay like 60 to 80 euros. So it's a more or less expensive Victorinox, but it's worth its money if you ask me. I mean, the wood is expensive. It's got a high quality, and well, it stays sharp quite a while. I've been using it a lot already. So I'd say if you're willing to pay 60 to 80 euros, you've got a pretty nice Victorinox here. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.